Welcome to this video. Really great to have you here. You're going to find this of interest if you want a really simple way to give ChatGPT a series of prompts that gives you all the content you need to promote any offer that you want. So the way you could use this is your own offers. If you're promoting it via social media, if you find that getting social media content together is difficult, you haven't got time for it, I'm going to show you how you can do that really simply with AI, and I'm going to show you how you can automate the entire thing. So think about it this way. You could theoretically use this process to promote several different items, several different products under different social media accounts and generate all of the content using AI that's actually going to be good content. So the example that I'm going to give you in this video is for how to get a six-pack, but you can modify it to sell physical products, to sell any info product that you want, your own products, whatever you want. So I hope you enjoy the video. I'm going to give you a series of prompts to use so you can use them step by step and get all of the content that you need. If you do enjoy this video, do give us a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. It lets me know that you're out there and you're watching. Let me know in the comments if you need any more information or if you have any questions on this video, and make sure that you pick up your 100 free AI prompts. It will take you through to this page. The link's in the description. It's 100 AI prompts for affiliate marketing, so you don't have to sift through them, so you don't have to find the best prompts. I've put them together for you. So it contains lots of different prompts to do niche research, SEO, picking products, how to build sales pages, email marketing funnels, and so on. Check it out. It's totally free. There's no catch. You'll find that in the description. Okay, so let's get back to our prompts to promote anything. Here we go. Okay, so what you want to do is you'll want to open up a new ChatGPT chat. And what I've done here is the priming prompt. The first thing that you want to do is a priming prompt. The reason for this is it just allows you to prime or prompt ChatGPT to take on a certain role, and it will work really, really well. So here we go. You are a social media marketing expert who specializes in creating content for the how to get a six-pack niche. Your goal is to generate engaging and targeting posts for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. You could add TikTok in there as well. Each post should be tailored to the platform with captions, hashtags, and ideas for images or videos. Do you understand? And then it says, yes, I understand, and repeats back to me what I've put. So we've got a good understanding. Then you've made it into a social media marketing expert. Okay, so the second prompt is a 30-day social media content plan. This is like the bird's eye view, any product that you want to promote. And it will help you because you've got here how to get a six-pack as in the example. Post themes for each day, motivational, educational, and promotional. Suggest captions and hashtags for Instagram and Facebook. Post ideas for Twitter. So you could expand on that, different social media sites, but here we go. 30-day social media content plan, and then you've got weekly themes. Okay, weirdly there's more than 4, but you could pick and choose which ones that you want to use. And then day by day plan. Day 1, Monday, motivational, Instagram, and it's giving you the Instagram content and Facebook caption, hashtags to use, image video idea, before and after transformations, or a motivational quote graphic. And you can use ChatGPT if you've got the paid version to create the images. Twitter post idea, the only bad workout is the one you didn't do. Your six-pack starts today. Day 2, Tuesday. Day 3, Wednesday. So it's mapping out for each social media site a complete 30-day plan, and actually theming it as well, so you can then use the hashtags and so on. What it's done is it's done 1 week and then given me weeks 2 to 4 and saying repeat the same. Okay. The next thing, and I want you to use these prompts in order because it will help you to refine the content. The next prompt you want is take the content plan you just created and expand day 1. Okay, provide Instagram caption with 5 to 10 hashtags, Facebook post with emojis, and tweet idea short and snappy, and you can modify that the way you want as well. And here we go, expanded content. So now it's going, okay, every six pack starts with a single crunch, Facebook post, tweet idea, and it's expanding it. And it's even asking me, okay, would you like me to expand this further or customize it for a particular audience? So you could then take each of the problems that people have with getting a six pack. Maybe they need to diet first. Maybe they need the best protein supplements and shakes. Maybe they need a more general diet plan. So you can target these people in different ways by allowing ChatGPT to do that for you. I haven't in the case of this example. The next thing you can do is for the Instagram and Facebook posts, suggest 10 niche specific hashtags to boost reach. Ensure they include a mix of high volume and low competition hashtags. So that's a good way, especially with Instagram, that's a good way of prompting, because you're going to get the really fitness motivation is going to be high competition, but then you've also got low competition, train harder in there. But with a mix of good high competition and low competition hashtags, it will work really well. And you can then take that further and, like with Instagram, pick me out the best hashtags. You could copy and paste a URL of a profile from Instagram and say, these are all the hashtags I want, mix and match them and make me a complete list. It's a really quick way to get all your hashtags and targeting. The next prompt is what you can do now we're going through in a sort of sequence, is generate a week's worth of content based on the content calendar. Provide captions and hashtags, tweet ideas, LinkedIn post drafts, add an optional call to action, comment below, save this for later. So it's then refining the content, tweet idea, LinkedIn and any other social media site that you want. Instagram, Facebook caption, ab circuit of the day, 20 mountain climbers, 20 Russian twists, 15 leg raises, 1 minute plank. Okay, and again you can ask ChatGPT for the relevant image to go with that as well. Wellness Wednesday, Throwback Thursday, Fitness Fact Friday, and so on. Sweet Saturday, Self-Care Sunday. Then you can, it's all about refining what you got. You've got the main 30-day plan, you've got the base content, but you can refine it again. Suggest specific ideas for images or videos to pair with the post. This is going to be particularly important for Instagram. Okay, a carousel of six-pack abs or six-pack ab related content. Facebook, a short 30-second video showcasing six-pack abs. An infographic summarizing how to get abs. So motivational Monday, training Tuesday, and it's giving the ideas for the content, for the graphic content. Okay, but then what you can do is use other AI tools to create the video. You could use an AI video generator. You could then use, for Instagram, you can get AI to create the image for you. So you can take these and add them as prompts and say, create me the images. Okay, but you've got it all there for the week. Then the next thing that you can do, this is really cool, is with all the content that you've created, you can repurpose the content you created for Instagram into Pinterest posts. It's the same thing, images, and a lot of those images you can then take the same images and repurpose for Pinterest. So that way you're not having to create any additional content. You've then got Pinterest pin title, pin description, training Tuesday, and theme it again. So using all of those prompts, you're able to create a huge amount of content really quickly and then further refine it and add to it and add call to actions. Now, what could you do now to automate this whole thing and have like different social media accounts promoting these products? Maybe they're ClickBank products. You could have them promoting this, but how are you going to do it automatically? Check this out. Okay, so if you wanted to take all of that and load it in at the beginning of the week on the Monday and have it working for you and posting 2, 3, 4 times a day for you, you could use a service like Loomly, which is paid, but it's a social media poster. And the way it works is you get a calendar on Loomly and you can load in all your posts. You basically add all the logins for your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter, your Pinterest, okay? Then you select the time that you want the post to happen, you load in the content once, and you could do it at the beginning of the week for the whole week. So it would take you a few hours to go through and post all your content for the entire week. But then, for the whole week, it would post to those accounts, and all you would need to do is pop in to those social media accounts for comments and engage. You can even do YouTube videos with it as well. So when you do that, and then you add in the possibility of being able to do it for 2, 3, 4 different affiliate products, you've then got a way of producing all the content that you want and automating the whole thing with a service like Loomly. And you can also do this, check it out. Again, using the power of AI, if you don't want to use Loomly, I've actually used Loomly and Buffer, but you can ask, give me some alternatives for services like Loomly, and you've got Hootsuite, Sprout Social, Buffer, Zoho, Agora Post, and so on. Okay, so many of them. And then you can also use AI, and you could say, give me the most cost effective and the best trial option. Okay, I haven't even spelt it right, but here we go. Look at this, look how quick it is. Social Pilot starts at $30 a month for up to 10 accounts. So you don't need to make one sale of a ClickBank product with one of those posts. Best trial options, Plannable. Unlimited free trial with all features allowing up to 50 posts for free. Recommendation for maximum savings, Social Pilot. For exploring premium features without risk, Plannable. Simple and easy, and something that you can do today and start making some money. So get out there, make some money. Let me know if you need any more help. You can also make this more advanced by adding certain tools in there. Grab your free prompts. Subscribe if you're interested in building AI income streams, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers, guys.